The global coronavirus death toll crossed 1 lakh yesterday. The grim milestone came as the World Health Organization issued a warning that prematurely lifting lockdown restrictions, which have kept more than half the world's population in lockdown, could spark a deadly resurgence of the disease. More than 1.6 million people have been infected around the world, and nearly 70% of the deaths are in hard hit Europe. But even as deaths and infections continued their upward climb, officials in the United States and Europe expressed some hope that the curve could be starting to flatten. This week, China started to ease months old lockdown orders in Wuhan, where the virus first emerged in December. WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom said, I know that some countries are already planning the transition out of stay at home restrictions. WHO wants to see restrictions lifted as much as anyone. At the same time, lifting restrictions too quickly could lead to a deadly resurgence. The way down can be as dangerous as the way up if not managed properly. In some countries, the situation is improving, with the number of patients in intensive care decreasing. In Spain, France, and Italy, the fallout is shaking every corner of the financial world, and the IMF International Monetary Fund, which has $1 trillion in lending capacity, said it was responding to the calls from 90 countries for emergency financing.